mistake as well. You need to find the fault. Well done. I wasn't certain you even know what to look for. I'm relieved you discovered a bottle and cap. This place looks as though it was ransacked by the orcs.
Finding where you fit. LinkedIn knows how.
Hey, better than we ever been. Make it look easy. Feeling greasy, brown free. Filling it up to the top from the tap. Then we get a little mean green. It's like magic. Do dirt dirty, baby. No slacking.
Want to lose 15 to 20% of your weight in a year? Try Rose Insurance Checker to see if you're covered for GLP-1s for free. No paperwork, no waiting on hold. Just submit your insurance card and we'll take care of the rest. Join the over 100,000 members who've trusted Roe to check their coverage and start losing weight sooner. Go to roe.co/insurance for your free insurance check.
It got stuck in the branch that it was growing on, and then it also has a line from where it was strung on the plant, but still perfectly edible, just not visually as aesthetic as what we consider perfect produce. Misshapen, that's not allowed to go into a box to go to a retail market. There's a lot of food that gets wasted because it doesn't have this perfect appearance. But inevitably, you're going to have produce that doesn't meet that standard. We call those number twos. This is another example of a number two. Two grew into one, absolutely edible and tasty and delicious. And so by working with someone like Misfits, we have this beautiful, healthy, organic produce that's absolutely edible that we can package and sell to you guys.
On farms, fruits and vegetables get tossed for so many different reasons. When they have a funny shape, when they're too big or too small, or even when they have just too many cells. And it's mostly because traditional grocery stores don't want to buy these products. They only want the best looking stuff. And it's not just fresh produce. It's the parts of the salmon that just aren't as popular. It's cookies when they get new branding or new packaging. It's pasta noodles when they get packaged in the wrong box. At Misfits Market, we buy all that perfectly good food, and we pass on savings to our customers. We've rescued nearly 200 million pounds of high-quality food, and we're just getting started. Go to misfitsmarket.com to start saving money by saving food.
I'll take it at this one. You desire a selection of long size plates, wrapped and hands-on. The longer we wait, the more damage our municipal tools may cause. I understand your hesitation, but I promise you that it works. But we still have much to do. no working. But you look at me. And what about you, Kevin? Are you described as perfectly